for the following areas in New Jersey: Hudson, Eastern Bergen, Eastern Essex, and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northern Queens, and Southern Queens. Blizzard warning in effect from 6 a.m. Friday to 1 p.m. Saturday. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 6 a.m. Friday to 1 p.m. Saturday. Locations: New York City, Southern Westchester County, and coastal portions of Northeast New Jersey. Hazard types: heavy snow and strong winds. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 10 to 14 inches, with localized higher amounts within developing snow bands. Winds, north 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Temperatures, falling into the 20s by Friday evening. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. Timing: the strongest winds and heaviest snow will occur Friday evening into Saturday morning. Impacts: heavy snow and winds will make for dangerous driving conditions with visibilities near zero and whiteout conditions. In addition, some tree limbs will be downed, causing scattered power outages. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.